Planning a move from Florida to Georgia? Whether you are relocating for work, family, school, or a fresh start, an interstate move is much easier when you understand the cost factors and plan ahead. Because you are crossing state lines, this is considered an interstate move. That means you will want a moving company that understands long-distance relocation, proper licensing, scheduling, and safe handling from pickup to delivery. According to 3 movers, Florida to Georgia moving costs can vary widely depending on distance, shipment size, and extra services. Their guide notes typical costs may range from about $1,528 to $9,528 per move. The biggest cost factors include how far you are moving, how much you are taking, the weight or volume of your belongings, whether you need packing help, and if you add services like storage or furniture disassembly. Professional packing may cost more, but it can save time and help protect fragile items. If you are trying to stay on budget, you can pack non-fragile items yourself and let movers handle heavier or more delicate pieces. Moving season can also affect availability and pricing. Summer is often busier, so planning early, comparing quotes, and staying flexible with moving dates can help you make a more informed decision. Do not choose a mover based only on the lowest estimate. Look at licensing, insurance, reviews, services included, delivery timeline, and whether the quote clearly explains possible extra charges. Before moving day, declutter, label boxes clearly, confirm pickup and delivery details, keep important documents with you, and ask questions about access, stairs, elevators, parking, and storage if needed. So, what should you know before moving from Florida to Georgia? Understand the cost factors, compare movers carefully, plan your services, and choose a company that fits your schedule, budget, and relocation needs. For more helpful moving guides, visit 3movers at 3movers.com and read the full guide on Florida to Georgia movers and moving costs.